Ever wondered what it takes to keep our digital world running smoothly? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of computer technicians. These tech wizards are the unsung heroes behind our screens, ensuring our devices function without a hitch. They diagnose, repair, and maintain our digital infrastructure, from personal computers to large-scale networks. And let me tell you, this role is more complex and crucial than you might think. Ready to uncover the mystery? Then join us as we delve into the life of a computer technician. So, what exactly does a computer technician do? Well, let's dive into the nuts and bolts of the role. At its core, a computer technician is like a digital doctor, diagnosing and treating the ailments of computers. They're the ones who play detective, figuring out why your computer has suddenly slowed down or why your software isn't running properly. But their role isn't just about fixing problems, it's about prevention too. Computer technicians install and update software, ensuring your system is equipped with the latest tools and security measures. They also maintain hardware, from replacing worn-out components to upgrading systems for optimal performance. Imagine a city where all the traffic lights suddenly stop working. Chaos, right? Now think of a computer technician as the engineer restoring order, making sure the digital traffic of your life flows smoothly. As you can see, a computer technician's work is complex and critical to our digital world. They keep our virtual cities running one computer at a time. What skills and tools do you need to succeed as a computer technician? Now, this is where the rubber meets the road. First up, problem-solving skills are paramount. As a sleuth of software and a hero of hardware, you'll be solving complex issues on a daily basis. It's like a digital detective game. Technical knowledge, as you might guess, is also crucial. You should be comfortable with computer systems, networks, and software. You're the go-to guru for all things tech, after all. Now, let's talk tools. Hardware diagnostic tools are your best friends. They'll help you find the root cause of a hardware problem faster than you can say RAM. Software tools for troubleshooting and virus removal are also essential. Communication skills, absolutely necessary. You'll need to explain complex issues in simple terms to your clients or team members. With these skills and tools, a computer technician is well equipped to tackle any computer issue. What are the challenges and rewards of being a computer technician? Embarking on a journey as a computer technician is not without its hurdles. The rapid pace of technological advancements is a significant challenge. You'll need to stay on your toes, constantly learning and adapting to the ever-changing tech landscape. It's like being on a never-ending roller coaster ride, where each turn introduces a new gadget, software, or system to master. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the rewards. The satisfaction of resolving a complex technical issue is akin to solving a tricky puzzle. It's a thrill that keeps many computer technicians passionate about their work. Moreover, the field offers a competitive salary that is commensurate with the level of skill and knowledge required. But there's more. You'll be in high demand. In this digital age, almost every organization needs a computer technician, making job security less of a worry for you. Despite the challenges, the rewards of being a computer technician make it a fulfilling career choice. What opportunities exist for computer technicians and how can they progress in their careers? This question is often on the minds of those considering a career in this field. The world of technology is ever evolving, and so too are the opportunities for computer technicians. With experience and continuous learning, technicians can move into more specialized roles, such as network administration, cybersecurity, or software development. These roles often come with higher levels of responsibility and subsequently higher pay. For those with a knack for leadership, progression into IT management is a common path. This could involve overseeing a team of technicians, planning IT strategies, or even managing an entire organization's technology infrastructure. In a world that's increasingly reliant on technology, the demand for skilled professionals is only set to grow. This makes the field of computer technology not just a job, but a long-term career with plenty of room for growth. With plenty of opportunities for growth, a career as a computer technician can be as dynamic as the technology they work with. Are you ready to step into the world of computer technicians? This rewarding career is filled with opportunities for growth, from mastering the latest technologies to solving complex problems. The path ahead may present challenges, but remember, every obstacle is a chance to learn and grow. With the right mindset and dedication, you can become a vital asset in any organization. Now that you've got the inside scoop, consider a career as a computer technician. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out our other videos to continue exploring exciting career paths.